Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're cooking lemon chicken with roasted potatoes. You can use any part of chicken, but I'm gonna use leg quarter kasi yan yung meron ako dito. This is already cleaned. I already removed the excess fat. We're gonna use Italian seasoning, lemon pepper, and chili flakes, salt, black pepper, lemon juice. We also need slices of lemon and herbs. And then meron tayo dito melted butter. Ngayon, aasinan lang natin to. Just sprinkle your chicken with salt and then just wrap them. After this, arrange lang natin yung chicken sa pan. And then make sure that chicken is very dry. So, ipapat-dry ko siya ng paper towel. In a bowl, let's mix all the seasoning. Salt, chili flakes, and the lemon pepper seasoning. This is the black pepper, the Italian seasoning, and the lemon juice. This is the juice of 1 lemon. And the butter, melted butter. Then let us just mix this well. Kung wala kayong lemon pepper seasoning guys, pwede tayong gumamit ng lemon zest. I-grate lang natin yung balat ng lemon, pwede na pang substitute. Ilalagay lang natin tong mixture sa chicken. Yan, dapat mako-cover lahat yung chicken natin para ma-absorb yung flavor. So, ilarab lang natin ng mabuti. Now, let's put our lemon slices and whatever herbs you have. Like I said, you can choose your herbs and your seasoning. Scatter lang natin to. And we're going to bake this at 375 degrees uncovered. 50 to 60 minutes, but I usually extend up to 1 hour and 5 minutes. Meanwhile, habang nasa oven yung chicken, we will prepare our side dish, which is roasted potatoes. I'm just gonna put salt here. You can use any kind of potatoes. I'm using here baby potatoes. And then this is black pepper. And then garlic powder. You can always choose the seasoning if you like. And then I'm gonna put some paprika to add more flavors. I will add some dried thyme. And then olive oil. I'll just throw some garlic and then mix well. Get a pan and then let's spread these potatoes. Then we're going to place this in the oven and bake for about 30 to 40 minutes, depends on how you want your potatoes to be roasted. I just remove my chicken from the oven and then we're going to brush the remaining seasoning to give more flavors on our chicken. And then I'm going to put it back in the oven for about 10 minutes. After 35 minutes, my potatoes are now roasted. After 10 minutes of being back in the oven, our chicken is done, and let's now serve the dinner. I had leftover broccoli last night, so I'm just going to serve that together with this chicken and the roasted potatoes. Smells so good. My family loves this recipe. I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. Until next time, bye!